Load the paper in the paper feeder, then push the gray slider. Go to your computer and open the file. Press Command P or click the printer icon. Make sure to choose the destination as Photo Printer Epson SCP-600 series, and then adjust other settings as you need to. Click Print and the status of the printer should show up. Press the icon on the lower left corner to determine which ink needs to be replaced. Grab the needed cartridge in the supply closet and make sure it is for the Epson printer or printer 3. Lift up the top cover and on the lower left corner, lift up the small cover. Pull out the cartridge and place the new one in. Make sure to close all covers. Press this icon, then press Proceed. Wait for a few minutes. This changes it to photo black or matte black. To change it back, repeat the steps. If you have maintenance questions, press the icon on the lower right corner. Select Maintenance and look for the one you need information about.